Hello and welcome back to a Scratch How To video. I'm really sorry for not posting lately, but I'll try my best to get back on track. Let's get into it. Open your browser and head to the Scratch website, link in description. Then hit the create button and click close on this tutorial thing. Then delete the cat. So today I'll be teaching you how to make the iconic DVD screensaver with any image. But first you'll need to upload the image. So click on this little button in the corner and hit the upload icon. I'll choose this cat. Now head to the costumes tab and change it how you like. I'm going to keep mine like this. Then go over here and change the size value so it can hit the corner. That's the best part. Now go to events and grab the when green flag clicked block and drag it to the code space. Then go to control and get the forever block. Then go to motion and get the first block, move 10 steps and put it in there. Then scroll down and get the if on edge bounce block and put it underneath like so. Now drag your sprite to the corner and hit that green flag. And there you go. That's how you make the DVD screensaver with any image in Scratch. You can change the amount of steps to make it faster or slower. Like this is faster and this is slower. But that's it from me. Hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe. We're trying to hit 100 subscribers. Tell me in the comments if you want more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.